Alright, so this is where the greenhouse is going to go. We're going to clean it up and start building. Alright, so this is the greenhouse that we purchased. It's what is this? OutSunny. It's got decent reviews. It's a portable greenhouse. It's nothing fancy. So let's get started. Alright, so we've opened up the box and this is what's in it. That is the greenhouse canopy. Here are all the bars that go to it. There's your hardware. And for this entire project, this is all they give you for directions. So this ought to be a lot of fun. Alright, so we've pretty much laid out the footprint of this greenhouse, but we ran into a problem, and this is what you get for buying a $100 portable greenhouse. Is if you take a look at this, this is a standard support beam. And this is the same support beam. Unfortunately, they forgot to stamp a hole in it. So we're going to be drilling that, which just makes it a lot harder. Alright, so this is the first step is complete. We had to re-drill one of the upward posts, and we found another floor post that needed to be drilled. I was able to replace it with one of the other similar numbers, but we're going to end up having to drill it at some point. So that's what you get for $100. Alright, so step 2 is complete after we found 2 poles that did not have holes in them. We drilled them out, and so step 2 was just putting those hoops in. Looks like everything went well for this one. So we're going to start step 3, and I'll show you step 3 here in the sun. And it should be halfway done, so keep you updated. Alright, our OutSunny is starting to take shape. This is the end of step 3. This was really the easiest step. All it was the push in connections, no screws, nothing. So went really smooth. Things are starting to go at a rhythm now. It looks like we're out of the dark when it comes to bad pieces and stuff. I don't think we'll have any of those going forward. So my opinion of this is starting to change. It's very flimsy metal though. We'll definitely have to reinforce it, and we'll make a video about that too. Alright, so it's taking shape. It's not as tall as I would imagine. They say it's 7 feet tall down the center. I would say it's closer to 6'6", but it looks good. It's flimsy. We're definitely going to have to reinforce it. But yeah, I'm going to get that center beam up, and then we will show you the finished product. Okay, so the frame is put together. All we got to do is tighten the screws. But I wanted to show you something real quick that I think is very important. The head of the screw needs to be on the outside, and I'm guessing that's because they don't want it to tear into the fabric, which I don't know how flimsy it is, but given the metal material, it's probably not the most sturdy fabric you can buy. But nonetheless, this is what $100 gets you for a greenhouse. This is what we need to start. Contemplating doing some auto flowering CBD strains in here this winter, but for right now this is going to be a good start to our hemp endeavors. It's not a huge greenhouse, but it's going to get the job done. I think I'm pretty pleased with it. If you'd asked me that at step 2, I would have given you a different opinion, but overall this is what you got. Alright, so this is the greenhouse. It's a 10 by 12 greenhouse, and we're pretty happy with it. Overall, the construction was fairly easy. It's definitely worth $100 for sure. We've got a little bit of improvising to do, so be on the lookout for a video about constructing this in the next couple of weeks. We're really excited to be breaking ground on that greenhouse. Thanks for watching the video, folks. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to subscribe to our channel to see more videos, and follow us on Instagram at York River Cannabis.